Hey guys, Duncan Films here, and today I'm going to be doing something a little different. Today I'm going to be bird watching. So I got my bird watching goggles, and we're just going to, put them on. So all you got to do is be able to turn these on to a certain setting. I just got to get to this first. Okay. Birds in the area. Sorry, I'm scanning my whole surroundings to see if there's any birds. No, it's a squirrel. Okay. There seems to be no. Oh, I thought I heard something. Looks like there's no birds. What the heck? Hey guys, welcome back to Will It Float? Today we'll be testing some things. We just have a list of things, and we're going to throw them up and see if they float. Hey, that's already the name of the show. We can run for it. Yes, we have eyes on the suspect. Yes. I'm gonna go chase him down. I'm just gonna wait for you to finish putting on your walkie-talkie, and then we can start going. Okay? Thanks, dude. I'm almost done. Just wait a little bit longer. Just stand there. I'm almost ready. Now. Okay. We have eyes on the suspect. He's down there. Oh frick, we lost him. Yes, we lost suspect. We think he went this way. Frick. He could have gotten anywhere. Okay. I think I'm onto something. Don't exactly know it. Finally. After all these years. I continue my series in peace. Hey guys, welcome back to Will It Float. I'm on this deck today because I didn't really like filming on the ground, so today I'll be doing it on the deck. But today we have this pole here. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry, it's kind of dark. So I have this pole here, and we're just gonna throw it and see if it floats. So, well, let's go.